Hey guys, this is Chiney. Welcome to On My Mind series. So today we're at Sprinter Carib 5 and I want to find out from the people how many sugar daddies are here.
I'm dying. Hi guys and welcome to Chiney K Daily Vlog. Number something.
No, when you book up.
Alright guys, I didn't properly introduce what was, let me introduce what's going on here. We're at the premiere at Carib 5 for the movie Sprinter. That'll be Prince Pine. Oh shit, I gave you the tickets, right? Yeah. I'll give it to him. He's not funny. Him not funny. Him not funny.
I love me.
Okay, so we're at the movie premiere of Sprinter here at Carib 5, and yeah, it's an exclusive movie premiere, so we're all here and we're really excited. I'm here with Dutty Berry, my sister, Life of a King, Winfred from Onstage is here, everyone is here, and it's just a grand old time. Life of a King! Mr. King! Mr. King! And yeah, we're here. I am.
Oh, okay, so we're here. We have some.
Hi, say hi. Don't leave me. Hi, say hi to my vlog.
Hi vlog.
Hi, vlog.
Yeah man, Shiny King.
You said hi already.
Love you.
I didn't get me no trouble.
Love you. You're gonna kiss me off camera. You're gonna kiss me on camera. Love you.
I can give you a church kiss, yeah? Alright, oh, guess who's here?
What is what kind of camera this?
Oh, this is Canon GX7. This is my vlog. Say hi.
Hi. Yes, I look smooth. No bump, no show. Like it.
Alright, premiere time.
2 hours later.
This is the first time I see a movie in Jamaica with gun in it and not good bullet no fire.
Yes!
I really like find out how you get to maneuver around the gun business in Jamaica, given where it's on the screen. I never said that yet. I don't know how you manage it. You could have just explain if it was a deliberate thing or you just do it.
It was definitely very deliberate. The thing is, we know there's a presence of this dark side in our country. We know it, we live around it, but it is not who defines us. It's sometimes hard to tell a full story of a full complete word without referencing that, but that is not the point. And we don't need no gunshot to fire. You know what I mean? And in a way, even the typical approach of like this very moralistic, you do this bad thing and you need to be locked away and forgotten about, it's not really the way, it's not really the reality, you know what I mean? It's more important to show people falling down and making a wrong decision and getting back up and being surrounded by the people who love them, you know what I mean? So that is just So, special shout out to Prince Pine. We're showing you guys that social media comedians actually have talent. So this is Prince Pine. I'm shouting out to Voldemort, Dutty Berry, Dino Crazy. We're here. I'm just saying that you guys should come and get us, because we can do good work. This guy is a great actor. He helped me a lot. She annoyed me a lot. She grilled me a lot. Thank you for everybody. Thank you for coming here. Thank you for seeing this. And just, yeah, love it.
Hi. Alright, so The movie, my bad. So the movie has ended. Sprinter, it was amazing. And for everyone that's watching this right now, make sure you guys go see it and support it. It's a Jamaican film about track and field and so much more, or struggles and everything. So make sure you guys go see it. It was really nice, and as somebody that studied film in college, it was amazeballs, and I really appreciate the cinematography, the actors, the actresses, and everything that came together for this film. So make sure you guys definitely see it, and we would love, 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 love to see more Jamaican films on the big screen, right?
Yes. Go on Steve, grab a friend, grab mother, grandma. Miss E from next door.
Amazing.
Yo, that camera clean is. We like Jesus because I the bone of health, walk one. There, you know. Come watch myself on the big screen again. I'm just want to pick up your vlog.
Oh, hi. Oh, yeah. Pick it up. Ah! Yeah. The movie was amazing, like I said, so make sure you guys go see it, right?
No, that was just pure acting. Never done that before.
Well, on a selfie time?
Oh, this is my vlog. I vlog between my shows.
Okay.
So you can tell them who you are.
Hey, this is Carib Wilson, aka Kenzie. Beast of Wow.
Yes, make sure you guys see the film Sprinter. He's the supporting actor. He did amazing. For some reason, I thought you were gonna die.
Give thanks for for life.
In the movie, but he didn't. So make sure you guys go and see it and support Jamaican film, right?
No.
All right, awesome.
Can you just sign this?
But nervous! That's it! What is it, man? To who, ma'am?
K-A-D-I-A-N.
Yo, a top movie star this year, man. Yo, Bombard. What's your one? Yo, a big movie star this year, man. Dana Royal. And one thing me have to rate to Dana and them always stop and help out the youth them. Yo, boss, can
Canadian spell K. Is that K with a
K with a K. I was about to say, yeah, it's a good.
Where else a K with a Q?
K-A-D.
Yo, boss, can I get a 2005?
With one N.
Yeah, man.
Oh my God, the girls are just flocking.
You know, so me take a picture right now, so it look like Dana stop and buy pum pum.
And look how we're through the kid.
Please don't tag me in this. No, but it was really, really good.
Boss, can I get a 2000 a 25?
So now I gotta look up. Top my trying to
No, I'm one of my bag.
I'll see you.
Give me a 2.5 now. Wait, the after party? Yeah, man, you know it there?
Yeah, the pallet, I know it there.
Oh, there you going there? Alright, so forward now. I'm gonna drive my hoopty behind your car, yeah? Alright. Okay, hi guys. So the premiere is over. You guys didn't even really show my outfit, but the premiere is over. So right now we're about to head to the after party because we are like totally dressed and we almost I'm not dropping out of patrol then. Alright. And patrol is serious. Alright, yeah, so we're heading to the after party right now.
Mackerel was actually in the movie, people.
She nice?
No.
People man nice and comfortable. Yeah, we man my drop now.
Yo, you know, this feel like me on a pimping at night, like.
Pimp daddy, you're walking with two hot chicks. How do you feel?
I feel good. It's a regular thing, we're not new to this.
It's totally not new to this, but yeah, we are about to head to the. Oh, that's my sister. I forgot to introduce her. Say hi. Hi.
Where actually, sister like Sean Meg?
No, she's not. Oh. Huh?
Yeah, you're going to the pallet? Yeah. Yeah, I'm going there. Alright, take care.
Well, that was rude. She didn't even acknowledge that you were like with a chick.
Oh, yeah, right.
I'm sorry, I'm Dutterberry is kind of famous.
On video, I have to just, show that I'm a gentleman on camera. Only on
you have to open the door, but we have to get the key. Hold on.
Shit this. Alright, so we just like edit it so it just kind of look like.
It flow.
Yeah, it kind of flow like.
Alright. Oh.
My kind lady.
Oh, well, look at that. Dusty Berry, he's such a gentleman.
So you okay? Okay.
Yes.
I didn't catch your melody in your sister too.
Oh, is it?
No! Stop! Stop! I'm being a gentleman. There you go, my kind lady.
Oh, thank you.
You're 1, 2, 3 times the lady. Alright, take care.
He's so silly.
20 minutes later.
Yeah, he's on my phone. I don't know what you should say. I'm on her vlog. It's so awesome, guys. What are you girl? All right. Natural hair girl talk. Okay, so
What's like a vocal in there though? I can't dance with all these things, man.
this concludes this week's daily vlog. You saw we was at Sprinter premiere. We're at the after party now, but it's kind of winding down, and I really didn't vlog because my battery is dying and I ran out of, I had to like delete some stuff to even do this outro. So make sure you guys see the film if you haven't seen it yet. It is a great film. I said it already previously, but make sure you guys check it out. And yeah, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, like the video, comment, and let me know what kind of daily vlogs you want to see. Alright?
Peace out. Don't forget to subscribe.
Yes, subscribe.
You're deaf.
Deaf?
You're deaf. You're not here. Hello?